Hey guys, it's Isa again. Today I'll be showing you how I add virtual pets and stream avatars to my stream. So you've probably already seen a lot of virtual pets on stream and they always greet you whenever you enter, which is so cute. So all you gotta do is go to capamon.com and sign in using your Twitch account. So once you've signed in, this is the home page, and at the left bar, just go straight to Marketplace and you'll see a lot of cute virtual pets. Some of them are free, some of them aren't, so if you're willing to pay, you can choose whatever you want. I chose the free ones and I ended up getting a cute little kitty. So the blue tag means it's free. Once you've selected your virtual pet, you can also choose what color you want your pet to be. It does cost money, but if you want it to be free, just use the default option. So my favorite thing about these virtual pets is you can choose what kind of action you want them to do. So there's like eat, there's attack, there's dance, there's sad, there's cry. It's really cute. It's a nice thing to have, especially if you want your stream to interact with your chat, so this will make them entertained. Now go back on the left bar and you'll see collection, and this is where you keep all the virtual pets that you own. Click on set default animation and this will activate your selected pet. Once you've done that, head on to commands. This is where you'll edit and customize each command and choose which action your virtual pet will do. Because each virtual pet is different and sometimes one has more actions than the other, I made sure to check all the actions that my kitty has, and then I tried connecting and making a command based on that action. Once you're happy with your commands, go on your profile and click for Twitch streamers and copy the stream URL and paste this in your OBS or Streamlabs platform and add it as a source. So this is an example of the commands that I did. I have feed Tootsie, dance Tootsie, pat Tootsie, fight Tootsie, and cry Tootsie. You can name your virtual pet whatever name you'd like. And ta-da! This is Tootsie on my stream overlay. She's so cute. Okay, so now we're gonna head on to how I add stream avatars. As you can see, these stream avatars are very entertaining, and you can also put actions in it, so this is how we'll add it. Go to store.steampower.com and install the Steam desktop app. Once you've installed Steam in your computer, start typing stream avatars and this should pop up. Make sure to add the first one because the second one is an extension, so you want to choose the $17 one. And this does cost money, but it's worth it in the long run. So once you've added it to your card and bought it, go to the library and play stream avatars. Now once you've launched it, it will come out in a different window other than your OBS. Go in your login details and make sure to connect your Twitch account. Also, log in with these platforms and make sure it's all green ticked. Then hit save. Once you've done that, go ahead to bot commands and edit these commands to better fit your stream vibe. For me, I've only just changed the command list to avatar command and left all command in default. In the bot options, make sure to tick all of the commands. Right under it, there are advanced options where you can customize and edit your own text. They've also got a couple of mini games like basketball and battle royale, and this is where you get to edit them. To add avatars, go to Steam Workshop, and there are millions of different kinds of avatars you can choose from. Because I love Animal Crossing so much, I ended up with an Animal Crossing avatar. Once you've chosen your avatar, hit download and press connect. Here it is connected. To add to your OBS Studio, click the plus button, then add it as a game capture. and name it to Stream Avatar. Once you've hit OK, make sure that your window option is under Stream Avatar. Once you've done that, you can explore the different things you can do with your stream avatars. Like you can drop stars, you can drop bombs to attack people, you can even hit people with a slingshot. So you can only do these actions in this window, but this is how it will look like in your OBS window. Here's me hitting Diana with a slingshot. I'm sorry, baby girl. You can also use the avatars to chat with people. P.S. Follow me on Twitch if you haven't. And that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. This is me doing a Just Dance redemption with my stream avatars at the very bottom. So hopefully you guys come and visit me on Twitch. I stream cozy games and do some fun chats with my community.